Hi, and welcome to Digital Literacy Simplified. In today's video, we'll explore how to search for files in Windows File Explorer. We'll review several ways to search for files in File Explorer, including search by file type, file name, and using a wildcard search. Let's get started. Searching for files in Windows 11 File Explorer may require several different methods to find the files you're looking for. You may need to use search filters and operators to narrow down results to save time and improve search results. The search box is located on the command bar. It allows you to search for files and folders on your computer. Simply type a word or phrase into the search box to search for files and folders that match your query. You can also use filters to refine your search. Click on the filter drop-down to bring up options for you. So in this case, you simply choose the file type by clicking on one of the options in the drop-down. So for example, here you can see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images or PDF files. When you type a search phrase in the search box, File Explorer will display a new menu option. It's called Search Options. You can use these options to refine your search. The Close Search option will close that search dropdown. So here are some text-based search methods. Kind allows you to search for files based on their general type. So for example, you could search using kind:"document" or kind:"image" to search for file types. Extension, you can also look for searches by a file extension. So ext colon and period.pdf would find any PDF files. You can narrow things down too by the modification date. So for example, if you're looking for files that were done today, last week, or a particular date, you would just type in the date and the date that you're looking for that file. Size also can be searched for, so searching for files based on their file size. So an example could be size colon greater than 100 meg or size colon medium. So in this example, we're using kind:" PDF. So in this example, what we would be looking for are any PDF documents. So it's not looking for a name, it's not looking for a date, it's not looking for a size, it's only looking for the kind of file, which in this case was PDF. We can also use Boolean operators to do our searching. And finds files containing all specified words. So in the example here, report and budget would return all files, report and budget in the title. Or finds files containing at least one of the specified words. So example here would be reports or budget. And not would exclude a term from the search criteria. So for example here, it says report not budget. In this search criteria, we used and to search for any files that have computer and digital in the file name. Wildcards are special characters that can represent other characters in a search term, making them a powerful way for finding files when we don't know the exact name. Wildcard searching with the asterisk is very powerful when you're trying to find files. This wildcard represents any sequence of characters. It can be used at the beginning, middle, or end of the search term. So in the examples here, we've got asterisk.txt that will find all files with the txt extension, and report asterisk will find all files with report in the file name with any extension. We can also use the question mark for wildcard searching, and it can replace any single character. It's useful when you've forgotten a single letter or number in a file name. So an example here might be ab question mark .txt, which would find abc.txt or abd.txt, and report underscore 202 question mark .docx finds report underscore 2024 docx or report 2025 docx, but it would not find report 2015 because that's not in the question mark area. It would only replace that one digit. This is a wildcard search using the asterisk. So asterisk.pdf did a full search throughout the computer's hard drive to find all files that are in PDF format. So here's a few best practices to make searching for your files and folders a bit easier. First of all, organize your files with logical, consistent names. Use search filters to get to your results faster, and combine filters and wildcards for powerful searches. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and follow our channel for how-to videos to help you develop the digital literacy skills you need to succeed. Thanks for watching.